Hello everyone, Ricky here from My Container Garden. Today I wanted to cover the topic of fermentation. And the reason why I started a container garden was because I wanted to do more ferments for my gut health. Now, fermentation has many different benefits for the human body. It assists with immunity building. It gives you about 1 to 200 times more vitamin C if you ferment tomatoes or any type of other vegetable containing vitamin C as well. And it also helps with maintaining a healthy probiotic bacteria in your gut that will actually stay there instead of you going out to the store and buying Yoplait or any other type of traditional yogurt, and that bacteria just leaves after a while. We want bacteria that will live in our gut, keep our gut healthy, help with digestion so that we don't get things like acid reflux and other kinds of, things that just bug our gut. So that's what I'm going to do today, and I'm going to take these tomatoes, some from here and some from another location, and just do a quick ferment using a certain method. So here we have our spinach coming in, more, and kale, and also our basil. A lot of garden progress so far. This is getting a lot larger. I also just went ahead, this is really weird. This one didn't fully grow all the way around, so I went ahead and planted some Elysium flower seeds in there as well. So that one's doing pretty well. Then let's just walk back here. Looks like my other lettuce plant is just getting crazy big. That's the red romaine. And then my atomic grape tomato. That is looking pretty good. I am really happy with the way it's acclimated to its new environment. I'm very, very happy with it. I do see some roots peeking out a little on the surface. Today I will take some soil and put it around the plant so that we don't have any roots sticking out. So, follow me to the back here. And we will show you my seedlings. So, these are all of the seedlings so far. Now, I've taken these out of the house a couple weeks ago, and they're just doing just fine outside. I've got to plant those soon. Here I have tons of pepper plants, and I also have some San Marzano plants, San Marzano tomatoes. Those will get pretty big. I'm really happy with that. Now I wanted to explain here what happened. This guy here that's bent. Now that guy bent because I had the light off in the garage, and there's a window with the shade covering nearby, and actually stretched towards the window. So you want to be careful when you have your plants on the inside. You want to make sure that they have complete darkness and complete light. Very balanced mixture you want to have there. There they are, all my pepper plants, peppers, and I think I have some eggplant in there as well. I guess I'm going to get a surprise. Today, we'll be using the Noma Guide to Fermentation. For this recipe, you'll need about 1 to 2 cups of tomatoes sliced, 2 teaspoons of Himalayan salt, vacuum sealer bags, and a NutriChef vacuum sealer. I like the NutriChef vacuum sealer for its ease of use and affordability. And lastly, a pair of scissors. In about 5 to 7 days, you should have a ferment. You'll know it's ready when the bag is fully inflated, resembling a floaty. You'll then cut open the bag, place it into a mason jar, and pop it in the fridge. And you'll have a perfect ferment. So lastly, I like to show you my 7-foot, 2-foot wide, outdoor raised garden bed that I planted from seed. I hope all of you have enjoyed this video and learned how to make some great ferments. Click on the link below to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.